turn this cross, I had already had it painted. So we're gonna turn this cross into something that you can have out for spring, summer. I think it's precious. We're gonna be doing, I thought we would fine line crackle it, and then I'm gonna try to stencil over it with some deluxe paste. I've never done it before, but I think we'll be just fine. And we already have it painted, but I am gonna give it a quick coat of some liquid patina. Hi. All right, so fine line crackle, you can get this under my TH Decor link under Pintart products. Amazing. It's step 1, step 2. Okay, so we're gonna go in with step 1. I always say it's almost like an Elmer's glue consistency. Try to hold that. You can kind of see those cracks, but this is just home. Y'all, that is very hot. We're gonna let that cool before we wax it. We're gonna wax it, and then we are going to use, I haven't used this color and I'm super excited. Look how amazing this is. It has the shimmer in it. We are actually going to stencil over it as well. Which, you know, you'll be like, well, why did you do all that fine line crackle? Because you're still gonna see it through there, and it's just another step. Okay. Do I wanna use this one? Okay, we're gonna go in. We're gonna get, this is the wax paste. Again, it's the Pintart, it's the antique paste in the color Umber. Look at that shine it does, and that's another thing. The fine line crackle puts off such a gorgeous, gorgeous shine. I'm kind of loving this Mama's Damask, y'all. What do you think? Y'all like that? So I get it on the back side of this. And I try not to think about it too much or too long. Just get it on there. And like, you just kind of press it in and scrape. Now, for some reason, it resisted. It did resist on some of this. I've never, like I said, I said we're gonna do something that I've never done before. But it's okay. It's kind of cool looking. It kind of, look, you can see where it didn't like hold in certain areas, but I love it. I think it, again, it adds to that look. I'm gonna put. Okay, so this is what I grabbed. I grabbed, these, I've had these forever. They're Paper Studios. So that is Hobby Lobby, Paper Studios. And I just thought these would be really pretty. Of course, we'll add some bling. Oh, that's kind of cute. Do we want to? I just don't know how much I want to add here. I have 2 packs. I just thought that yellow would give a sweet contrast. And oh, and I've got these cute little, these little ones. We can add that in the center of our, if we wanted to. Sometimes we just have to play with it. Okay, well, that's what we're gonna go with. See what I mean? Okay, you see that right there? It just kind of balances it all out. Okay, I like it. All right, so we've got that little butterfly. I'm just looking. We could add these. Oh yeah, this is cute. Okay, that's cute. We're going for it. We're going with the big one at the bottom. I always like to make sure I hit those high points. Okay. Here we go. So we've got the big butterfly. We've got the little center. Now I may, well, maybe I just need to go ahead and do it. I may just add one in the middle. Why not? We'll go ahead and add that right in the middle of this too. So we took our little cross, clearance section, Hobby Lobby. We painted it in the ballet slipper pink. We fine line crackled, we stenciled using the deluxe paste. And then we just added some flowers from Hobby Lobby along with the Butterfly and Friends pack in the antique bronze as well. Those little minis came from our Easter collection.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.